Hi everyone, welcome to Tarot Arc. Thank you so much for being here today. This is Anandita. And before we move forward, I just want you to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. People who are new, please do like, share and subscribe the channel. And people who are a part of the channel since long, a big thank you to all of you for staying connected to the channel, for dropping by for today's reading. And also I request you to keep sharing the channel with friends and family. Thanks a lot for the feedback, comments. I got a wonderful feedback in the live session also, and it's just your messages and feedback that motivates me to keep making readings and videos for you and keep coming live frequently. So today's reading is to let you know, it's a relationship reading, and it's to let you know that what are your person's intentions for you at this point in time, and if they're silent, then why are they silent, what is blocking them. I'm trying to cover up a lot of things in the relationship, but basically their current intentions towards you in this current situation. So I've made two piles here, and I've just placed two crystals on top. This is the black tourmaline crystal, pile number 1. Just connect with the crystal, that's pile number 1. And that's pile number 2, the peach moonstone crystal. And I'm going to just show you the crystals once nicely so that you're able to connect to them. This is pile number 1, the black tourmaline crystal, and that's pile number 2, the peach moonstone crystal. Used totally different color crystal so that it's easier for you to connect. अब अपनी आंखें बंद कर लीजिए, अपने पर्सन के बारे में सोचिए, वीडियो को पॉज कर लीजिए, सी विच स्टोन विच पाइल इज अट्रैक्टिंग यू. आपकी इंट्यूशन आपको हेल्प करेगी टू कनेक्ट विद दीज पाइल्स. Also, I have placed 2 cards here already, which I will open towards the end of each pile and to see what are the current intentions. ये हम बाद में खोलेंगे ये वाली cards. इसके नीचे दोनों piles हैं. This is the Mystic Monday Tarot deck and that's the Rider-Waite Tarot deck, but it's totally fine. आपको decks के साथ connect करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. You can just connect to the stones. Pile number 1, the black tourmaline crystal. Pile number 2, the peach moonstone crystal. So once you have connected to the pile, जब आपको लगा आपकी situation आपके साथ आप connect कर पाए हैं, then you can see the reading. Please remember that these are general readings, so they may or may not resonate with your situation completely. So please take whatever resonates with your situation and leave the rest. I've also mentioned the timestamps in the description below. So I'll see you at your pile. Let's see what we have in store for people who've chosen pile number 1, the Mystic Monday Tarot deck, or the black tourmaline crystal. Just connect with the crystal, that's completely fine. So let's see what we have in store for you. Think about your person, think about your relationship till I shuffle the cards for you. Alright, so your person's feelings towards you, people who've chosen pile number 1. They are definitely positive, but maybe a little slow in, or a little silent, or maybe not very expressive. Their actions are not very open, or I should say, the way they are expressing is not very vocal. Maybe they're not sharing their feelings in a very proper manner with you. They are silent, they are a little slow or non-expressive, I should say, but definitely they are moving in the right direction towards you. Their intentions are positive, and even if there is like I said, that they may be slow in expressing, or they are just taking their time to express their feelings or come out of what they are trying to say. It's just that they are thinking, they want to make a plan, they want this relationship to move forward with a big plan. They're thinking about the bigger picture, and that's why they're silent, they're taking time. Also, I see that people who've chosen pile number 1, there could have been an incident between you and your person wherein other people have interfered in your relationship, or people have spoken about your relationship. There has been interference because of other people, and that is what has just made your person a little take a step. They've just stepped a little back because they feel that why have other people entered the relationship? Why is there interference? They want that the success of the relationship should just be limited to you and your person. So that's the reason for their stagnancy. That's the reason for the little bit of, non-expression from their side. For some of you, you must be feeling कि आपके पर्सन को कोई एनर्जी ब्लॉक कर रही है. सो इट्स नॉट दैट उनको कोई एनर्जी ब्लॉक कर रही है, इट्स जस्ट दैट उनको दूसरे लोगों की इंटरफियरेंस इस रिलेशनशिप में पसंद नहीं आ रही है. दे वांट कि सिर्फ पॉजिटिविटी रहे इस रिलेशनशिप में, एंड दे आर जस्ट ट्राइंग टू पुट इन एफर्ट्स फॉर द रिलेशनशिप, ताकि व्हाट मैटर्स टू देम इज आप और वो, उनको सिर्फ इस रिलेशनशिप की पॉजिटिविटी से, इस रिलेशनशिप की ग्रोथ से मतलब है. दे आर नॉट बॉदर्ड अबाउट व्हाट अदर पीपल आर थिंकिंग और अदर पीपल आर डूइंग. And also I can see that soon your person is going to show their contentment. They will express their love for you. They will show their contentment to for the relationship. They will maybe come out with a plan, or they will just do a gesture which makes you feel that yes, they're you're the perfect person for them. They will express their feelings in front of you within the next 2 to 2.5 months. Maybe for a lot of you, maybe your person has still not proposed to you. That also I can see. This is a general reading, so चीज़ें लोगों के लिए vary करेंगी. So what I can see is that for a lot of you, your person is not expressed it to you or has not proposed to you, and you're waiting कि आप ये वाले person जिनको आप पसंद करते हैं, when will they come and propose you, or when will they make the first move, do they like you or something like that. So yes, I can see it in the cards that determination, that fire element, that energy is building up, and they will definitely come and propose to you or make that move which you're waiting for. Maybe it could be a marriage proposal if you're already in a relationship, or somebody, you and your a person who you really are attracted to, and you feel that this person is giving signs but is not coming out. They're not expressing their love. ये मुझे कब express करेंगे? Why are they not, why are they silent? So I definitely see that your person is coming to you very soon. That's the Ace of Cups. That clearly shows me that the determination to come and make this relationship grow is in them. The energy to come and propose to you is building up towards them, and आपको ऐसा लग रहा है that the plan, the road is unknown. पता नहीं कोई बोलेंगे नहीं बोलेंगे, express करेंगे, I don't know what is in their heart. So the cards are clear that they are very positive. They want this negative phase to just pass by. They are just going slow. They are taking their own time so that they have a plan for you. They want things to go as per their plan. They want to take control of the situation before just jumping into this, and then उनको ऐसा ना लगे कि ठीक है प्रपोज तो कर दिया and now what. So they just want कि पहले से एक plan बना हो. For a lot of you, 24 days from now, a good news is on the cards. Some new opportunity in the relationship, something coming from your person is on the cards for you. So अपनी confusion हटाइए and pros and cons को सोचना बंद कीजिए. Stress में मत रहिए regarding your person. Your person is definitely, their intentions are clear, their intentions are positive in the relationship, and success is on the cards for you. Even if it's going slow, it's definitely a beautiful partnership. That's the Two of Cups which is there, and your person is for a lot of you, अगर आपका और आपके person का breakup हुआ है, या there have been issues, arguments हुई हैं, it's totally fine. Your person is coming back. They are wanting to reconcile with you. Stressful time है अभी थोड़ा सा, but within the next 6.5 weeks for a lot of you, your person will come back, and this time it's going to be with a plan. Your person is just working with a plan, and your person is aiming for a new beginning in this relationship, and that is why उनको इतना ज़्यादा time लग रहा है. So just wait, be patient. Let's see what the miracle cards are saying. So clearly, you just need to follow your heart and wait for your person. If you are in love with your person, and if you're just waiting, या अगर आपके मन में कोई confusions है, just wait, hang in there, and follow your passion, follow this love, and let it see how it goes. Also bring the self confidence in you. अगर आपके और आपके person के बीच में कोई issue आया है, just have the courage and sort out things between your person and you, so that you can go towards a positive future with your person. I see things are happening for the positive between you and your person. Let things happen, go with the flow, be a little patient. And अगर आपको लगता है that it was your fault and you're guilty of something, then just summon the courage, have the self-confidence to apologize and work towards a new beginning in this relationship. Things will go a little slow and steady for you, but eventually success is on the cards when it comes to your relationship. Your person and your person's feelings, their intentions towards you are very positive. They like you, they love you, and they want this relationship to grow. So I wish you all the best, people who chose pile number 1. And do let me know your comments and feedback in the comment section, whether the reading was beneficial for you, whether it resonated with you. And I also request you to please like, subscribe, and share my channel. And keep coming back for more videos. Keep coming back for live readings. Stay tuned to the channel. Follow me on Tarot Arc Instagram, Tarot Arc Facebook for more insights. Thanks a lot once again. Let's see what we have in store for people who chose pile number 2, the peach moonstone crystal. Think about your person, think about your situation till I shuffle the cards for you. People who've chosen pile number 2, your relationship may be going through a really negative or a rough patch at this point in time, and maybe your person has walked away from the relationship, has walked away from you. हो सकता है आप दोनों के बीच में कोई ऐसी मेजर फाइट हुई है, आर्ग्यूमेंट हुई है, ब्रेकअप हो गया है कुछ लोगों का, एंड थिंग्स हैव जस्ट कम डाउन टम्बलिंग. मे बी बहुत अच्छा रिलेशनशिप था पहले, बट बिकॉज ऑफ लैक ऑफ कंटेंटमेंट इन द रिलेशनशिप, या फिर आपके पर्सन ने बहुत एफर्ट्स डाले, आपने बहुत एफर्ट्स डाले, बट थिंग्स डिडंट रियली गो, द रिजल्ट वाज नॉट एज डिजायर्ड. सो बहुत ज़्यादा स्टैगनेंसी है, बहुत ज़्यादा रिलेशनशिप में अभी इश्यूज हैं, एंड आपके पर्सन की फीलिंग्स भी काफ़ी हद तक कहीं ना कहीं बहुत पीछे आ गई है. योर पर्सन इज़ रियली रियली टेकन अबैक, डिवास्टेटेड इन दिस रिलेशनशिप. मे बी उनके एफर्ट्स have not got the results. Maybe सिर्फ उनकी साइड से ज़्यादा एफर्ट्स थे, and that's what has made them just take a back seat. They have walked away from the relationship, from the situation. Maybe there was some kind of a hiding, mistrust. आपके बीच में कोई honesty को लेके issues हुए हैं, but the love, the positivity is definitely there. Your person still loves you. Your person's feelings are definitely pure towards you. This situation has not उनके हार्ट में कोई ऐसी वो नहीं आया that they started hating you or something. It's just that the situation has made them walk away from you, but their feelings towards you are still positive. They are still very keen that this relationship works, but they are taking their own sweet time. They are thinking, they are really trying to analyze what's gone wrong in this relationship. It's going to take about 2 months for a lot of you for the relationship to get back to normal. And the people who've chosen pile number 2, you really have to work hard when it comes to putting in efforts इस relationship के लिए. अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आपका relationship एक peaceful, harmonious, calm, prosperous relation में हो, so you really need to put in the efforts. What I can see is that आपकी तरफ से भी कहीं ना कहीं the determination to make this relationship सक्सेसफुल वन, या फिर कमिटमेंट देने में अपने पर्सन को आपने देयर हैज़ बिन अ लैक ऑफ कमिटमेंट. चीज़ें जिस हिसाब से होनी चाहिए थी आपके पर्सन के हिसाब से नहीं हुई हैं. थिंग्स हैव गॉन अंडर आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल. I also see for a lot of you, maybe there is a lot of domination happening in the relationship from some family member, from a father figure, maybe a brother for some of you, but definitely there is a man who is very dominating in this relationship, and that is the reason your person has just walked away, because unko laga that this is a very helpless situation and their efforts are not being rewarded, but their intentions towards you are full of love. They want the relationship to get back. They want harmony. I can see celebration. That's what they want, कि कोई commitment या कोई ऐसी ceremony हो जाए इस relationship में, so that things get better. The people who've chosen pile number 2, and if you're a female who's watching this reading, your efforts are definitely lacking. You need to somehow get some courage towards your person. आपको maybe अपनी family के सामने भी थोड़ा सा courage दिखाना पड़ेगा, so that your relationship works, because your person is expecting you to take a stand now. Maybe आपकी तरफ से there has been a lack of motivation or determination. बहुत stagnancy है, बहुत dullness है. Your person is very exhausted and has put in a lot of efforts, but उनको कोई result नहीं मिला है. So now it's your chance, people who've chosen pile number 2, and I do see that within the next 2 to 3 months your relationship can actually pick up, and success is on the cards in this relationship, but only if the determination is there in you. आपको बहुत ज़्यादा strong will रखनी पड़ेगी, determination बहुत strong रखनी पड़ेगी, that it's just what matters to me is me and my person and not anybody else in this relationship. थोड़ी सी आपको अपनी साइड से भी domination दिखानी पड़ेगी, and I see the relationship getting back to normal. Get back the fire element in you, get back the determination in you, and speak up. Express your feelings to your person, express your feelings towards your family. Whoever is being an obstacle in your relationship, you have to get up, fight for this relationship. People who've chosen pile number 2, and I see successes on the cards. Also, what will really help you is prayers will really be answered. आपकी कोई wish मुझे पूरी होती हुई दिखाई दे रही है, people who've chosen pile number 2. So definitely pray to the Almighty. Unexpectedly things will start moving within the next 6.5 weeks. कभी भी ऐसा कोई time आ जाएगा wherein out of the blue somebody will be there to help you, or your family will agree, or your person will have a plan. Something will happen unexpectedly out of the blue. So keep praying, keep hoping, and yes, keep putting your efforts. Also, I see within the next 4 months some kind of a commitment, some kind of a major change in the relationship for the positive. जिस चीज़ का आप लोग wait कर रहे हैं, that will take place. But this will only happen with your efforts, because at this point in time your person is really hurt. Their expectations are hurt, and they have walked away on you, they have walked away from this relationship. So you really need to put in the effort. Once you have put in the effort, I see your person coming back. आप उनको एक इशारा करिए, and they will definitely show up. They will come back, because their feelings are pure, their feelings are full of love for you, and they want this relationship to work. But maybe उनकी तरफ से कहीं ना कहीं एक उम्मीद फिनिश हो गई है. मे बी उनकी तरफ से दे आर रियली एग्जॉस्टेड, एंड दे जस्ट वांट दैट नाउ इट्स टाइम फॉर यू टू टेक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. इट्स टाइम फॉर यू टू एक्चुअली टेक ऑन द बर्डन ऑन योर सेल्फ. So they are very confused because of your feelings, because of your actions, and उनकी ये confusion हटाने के लिए you will actually have to make a move. Also, I can see that you are very stressed that लोग आपके बारे में क्या सोचते हैं, लोग इस relationship के बारे में क्या सोचते हैं, and that is what is driving you. आप इसकी वजह से भी कोई एक्शन नहीं ले पा रही हैं, या ले पा रहे हैं. सो व्हाट आई रियली सी इन द कार्ड्स इज दैट आपको ये कन्फ्यूजन हटानी पड़ेगी, आपको अपने मन से क्लैरिटी लानी पड़ेगी अपनी लाइफ में, दैट द रिलेशनशिप इज मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट और पीपल आर मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट. And then once you decide that, I see a new phase coming in your life, and within the next 4 months I definitely see that you and your person will be in a happy space, in a committed relationship. Maybe some of you will already be engaged, or a commitment might happen in front of you. But yes, I definitely see that you have to make the move, you have to do something. And especially if you're a female, if you're watching this reading, then this is an effort from your end that you need to do. Let's see what the miracle cards are guiding you to do in this relationship. So what you really need to do is that forget about the people, forget about what other people are saying. If you want your person, then you need to let go and move forward in the relationship. You need to think about celebrating with your person. You need to think about letting go about the world and actually being with your person. Also, I can see कि आप अगर like I said in the beginning, that prayers will be answered, your angels are watching you. So even the miracle cards are clearly, mystical wisdom cards are clearly saying that this is the time that the angels are here to help you heal this situation, and it's a time of healing for the mind, body and soul. So make the best of this time. Pray kariye and relax kariye, be calm, be relaxed, make move towards your person. Maybe you and your person could just try and take some time off from other people, have some space, meet your person, try and communicate your feelings, nurture your relationships. That's what the cards are saying, the miracle cards. So both the cards, the reading is going hand in hand, that you need to really nurture this relationship. आपने अपने person को बहुत ज़्यादा maybe taken for granted ले लिया था, या you were just not, you were very sure कि चीज़ें will work out, and आपने effort नहीं डाला. Now the cards are expressing that you need to express yourself in front of your person. You need to make your person realize that you feel exactly the same way like they do, and आपके efforts में कोई कमी नहीं है, because right now your person is very stressed out. I can clearly see that अगर आपने effort डाला, that's the card for you. Your person likes you, that's the card of the lovers. Your person is very fond of you. There's an attraction in between both of you. There is there is a bond between you both, which is just taken a back seat because of a lack of commitment from your end, or a lack of efforts from your end. So if you move, if you show up a little, if you move your if you get out of your comfort zone, थोड़ा सा आप अपने आप को और express करिए. Take a stand in front of family, take a stand in front of people who are dominating, and show your person that you really care, you really want the relationship to work. And I see that your person will definitely put in more effort and be with you. So I wish you all the best, people who chose pile number 2 in your relationship. Hope that things work out between you and your person. Thanks a lot for dropping by the channel today and watching the reading. Please do let me know if the reading was resonant. Please send me your feedback and comments. Stay tuned to my channel for more videos, more live reading posts, and I'll be coming live very soon. So just stay tuned to my channel for live reading posts, and also stay connected with Tarot Arc Instagram or Tarot Arc Facebook. And thanks a lot for all the love and feedback. Take care and stay safe.